Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to show accessibility status on menu bar on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. You can add accessibility shortcut button to the menu bar that appears on the right side along the top of your screen. The shortcut gives you quick access to many macOS accessibility features such as VoiceOver, Zoom, color filters. You can also add the accessibility shortcut button to the control center menu that appears on the menu bar. So you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook, click on accessibility. Now you can see here's all of your accessibility, and there is an option show accessibility status in menu bar. You can checklist on that, and now you can see on your menu bar there is an accessibility that you can access from there. If you click on the accessibility, you can see these shortcuts. It's a simple, right? And if you want to hide it, you can just hide on your system preferences. So that is how to show accessibility status on your menu bar on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.